lang.
So, 1, 2, 3, go. Hi guys, Mabab here, and welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, Mab here and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do custom stickers and DIYs. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing a triptych pour painting to show you that
Even a kid can do it.
And someone who's not really into art can do it as well.
awesome, right? So enjoy the video, hope you like it, and if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
And there you have it! We're all good! Thank you so much for watching the video. I really hope you liked it, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it. And if you did, then don't forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And if you have any comments, questions what we did, or suggestions on what videos you want me to do next, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You take care. Bye-bye! Kamusta naman yung experience ng first time mag-paint?
Nakaka-stress.
Oo. Ayun, hindi mo siya mahirap. Pero may mga parts na nakaka-stress. Parang lalo na kung sumupantay-pantay.
Lalo na yung blower.
Oo, parang may angle pang tama, mali. Tapos yung nakaka-stress lang yung kapag may magandang part.
Tapos
parang-
binura mo lang.
Tapos akala mo yung naisip mo akala mo mapapaganda sa papangit.
Kasi hindi mo na magawa ulit.
Tapos wala kang magagawa.
Bawal na din magdagdag.
Pwede naman magdagdag kasi dapat kapag basang-basa pa siya.
Oo.
Pwede pa.
Hindi yung kasi tinambayan natin yung negative spaces eh. Ang tagal natin eh.
Kasi na siya, kasi ito nga, hindi mo alam ano yung kalalabasan. Pero nakaka-stress yung lalo na para sa akin, hindi naman talaga nag-art. Ayun. Wala naman akong ka-art sa katawan.
First time mo mag-paint ever, di ba?
Oo.
Ikaw, Kyle?
Ako huli kong paint no grade 4 ba? Diba yung ito?
Oo. Pero
Ayun,
yung full
huli ko.
painting first time.
Oo.
Ano yung pinaka nagustuhan yung part?
Yung pag-pour ng paint.
Yung ano?
Yung pag-pour na.
Kasi yun yung pinakamadali.
Yung ano? Yung ginawa ko yung torch tapos yung pag-blow.
Yung
Kasi
pag-blow lang.
yung pag-blow lang sa straw, nakakontrol mo yung paint.
Ako hindi. Ayoko yung straw. Gusto ko yung blower lang. Next time na gawin ko to, blower lang. Hindi ko na yung straw.
Ako yung blower ko kasi.
Parang ano kalabasan mo ngayon.
Ano yung gagawin mong different next time na gagawin mo ulit siya?
Wag na mag-add ng silver or mag-add ng gold pero siguro pagka pag na ganyan na siya.
Ako, yung lessismo.
Oo.
Oo.
Yun lang.
Ano namang life lesson yung tingin mo pwede mong i-apply na natutunan mo sa
Huwag
core painting?
i-blower masyado. Diba?
Life lesson?
Oo.
Ah, wala.
Life lesson? Anong wag i-blow eh? Life lesson nga, wag i-blow eh.
Sama na ako.
Eh,
Na pwede mong i-apply sa totoong buhay mo araw-araw.
Same lang.
Makinig sa iyong ina.
Same lang, less is more.
Ano yung ending ni Mami?
And there you have it. Thanks for watching.
We're all good!
Gawin na nga!
Ito, ano ba?
And
Hindi, iba eh. Love me, we're all good. And there you have it.
and there you
have
have
it.
it.
And there you have it.
Ah.
Tama.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
And there you have
it. We're all good.
Ang tumataas na sa sun.
And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you want to do, what you want to see us do next.
Gumagay na. And, oh, pag nag-like ka. And,
Ano pa? Like, subscribe.
Ano nga?
Notification bell ka pa.
nagagawin ko.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below on what you want to see us do next. And see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. Ay, displace mo na lang, edit
Ang
mo na.
ganun na lang.